am back with my next video, my next unboxing of my MCM tote. So let's jump on into it. Oh, that is so cute, y'all. OMG. What? Y'all. Oh Lord, this is so cute. Oh my God. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me get my... This white is going to be kind of hard to probably keep clean. But here it is. Let me take this. Y'all, here it is. And this is in the color white and soft pink. Yeah, this is so cute. Oh my God. This is so cute. Baby, too cute. And I know with this white that it will probably get color transfers, so you have to be careful with that. But y'all, this is so freaking cute. OMG. Oh, this is so cute. So let me show y'all the inside of it. And here is, the inside is black and white. So there's the inside. And I also got this one also off of Nordstrom Rack also. And it was the same price as my other one, which was $354.97. And this is in the white and black with the soft pink trim. Super duper cute, and this will be perfect for the summer and then the spring and stuff because of this light color. Oh, this is cute. Oh y'all, this is so pretty. It's like really pretty, prettier in person. So let me show you all the little pouch it came with. I thought I saw something on it just a minute ago. I guess I did. I guess it's just that writing from the thing. But anyway, here is the pouch. Here's the pouch to go with it. So freaking cute. There's the inside of it, and then here's some little stuff. These are cute. Y'all, I like it. And I didn't want to keep both of them, but I think I'm going to keep both of these. OMG. So let me get the other one. Let me get the other one for you guys. So here are, here are both of the totes together. Here are both of the totes. Super duper cute. Looked a little white when I want to act up, but yeah. These are cute. Y'all, these are so cute. But I just want to show you guys my two new totes. And like I said, if you guys interested, just keep on checking Nordstrom Rack and you may get lucky and they may pop up, because I know this one tends to keep popping back up. or whatever. So it'll get low in inventory and then it'll pop back up. So if you're interested in this one, just keep on checking on their site. And with them, with the Nordstrom racks, y'all have to check y'all like at the weirdest times, like early in the morning or late at night and stuff like that. And they be redoing their inventory and stuff. So just keep on checking if you guys are interested. And like always, if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. And I'm going to take some pictures, and I have the pictures at the end of the video so you guys can see what it looks like in the sunlight and stuff. And like always, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.